Hello guys, in this video, I will show you the best method to withdraw your money from Read.Pay to Binance. Step 1. Open your Read.Pay app and check your available balance. Step 2. Make sure that your Binance account is verified and active. Step 3. In Binance, go to Wallet, then Deposit, and select USDT or a supported crypto network. Step 4. Copy the correct wallet address. Make sure that the network matches the examples TRC20 or ERC20. Step 5. Go back to Re.Pay and tap Send or Withdraw. Step 6. Choose Crypto Transfer and paste your Binance wallet address. Step 7. Enter the amount, confirm the network, and submit the withdrawal. And then, your funds should arrive in your Binance wallet after the network confirmation. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.